When you see the check forward safety system warning in your Hyundai, it indicates a problem with your forward collision avoidance assist system, also known as FCA. The FCA system is a critical safety feature that uses advanced sensors to monitor the road ahead and protect you from potential collisions. The system works by continuously monitoring the road using a radar sensor in the front bumper and a camera behind the rearview mirror to detect vehicles, pedestrians, and obstacles. Several factors can trigger this warning. The most common causes include sensor obstruction from dirt, snow, or ice, sensor misalignment after minor impacts, electrical malfunctions, and software glitches. Recent data shows that 8 to 12% of Hyundai vehicles experience this warning annually, with higher rates in vehicles over 3 years old, those exposed to harsh weather conditions, and high mileage vehicles over 60,000 miles. The first step in troubleshooting your forward safety system is checking for obstructions on the sensors. Most issues can be resolved with simple cleaning procedures. The forward-facing camera is typically located behind the rearview mirror. This camera works together with the radar sensor to monitor the road ahead. If cleaning doesn't resolve the warning, try performing a system reset. This can clear temporary software glitches that may be causing false warnings. For persistent warnings, advanced diagnostics using an OBD2 scanner can identify specific error codes. This helps pinpoint whether the issue is with sensors, wiring, or the electronic control unit. Some issues require professional intervention, including sensor replacement or ECU programming. These procedures need specialized equipment and trained technicians. According to automotive experts, approximately 70% of forward safety system warnings can be resolved through cleaning and basic recalibration procedures. To prevent future warnings, keep your vehicle's software updated and perform regular maintenance. Monthly sensor cleaning is especially important in harsh weather conditions.